Hello everyone and welcome to my $700 gaming PC build. Let's get started. Starting out with the CPU, we have the i5-4590. This is a quad-core chip and its base clock is 3.3 GHz. Now this is a lock core. For cooling, we have the Enermax ETS T40FBK. I think this is very sick looking and it matches our theme well, which is black and blue. To the motherboard, we have the ASRock H97 Pro 4. For it carrying USB 3.0, I think this was a really good choice, for it only being around $84. For our RAM, we have the G.Skills Ripjaws X in 8GB. This is two 4GB sticks for only around $39. Graphics card, we have the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 750 Ti in 4GB, the WindForce edition, and it is overclocked. I give you a look here. We have two HDMI ports and a blue PCB for only around, well, it doesn't say. For storage, we have the Western Digital Blue 1TB with a 7200 RPM for only around $53. Carrying all these awesome components, we have the Corsair CX 500W ATX 12V. It is SLI ready and it's 80 plus bronze, but unfortunately it does have the ketchup and mustard cables. All this for around $55. Now, housing all these awesome components, we have the Roswell Striker M ATX mid-tower case. It does support liquid cooling if you want to upgrade in the future, and a 390mm long graphics card, which is really good. I went with one with some blue LEDs just to give your build a little more spice, and this all around a $60 price point. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see a different type of one, like maybe an editing or a different type of theme or a workstation build, comment down below. Tell me what type of build I should do. Hit that like button to tell me you like what I'm doing, and subscribe